Hello everyone, welcome to Ghaneva Edge channel. Today episode we are going to talk about mini importation. Okay, I've heard of sustainability. Now, how do I just import these things, get it to me? How do I do it? How do I talk to suppliers? How do I just get that thing I need on the app to get to me? Then today episode is for you. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to do to get that thing you want in 1688 app, and everything is going to be in summary. So if you want to know more of this stuff, then please do well to subscribe to the channel so you get more information on this channel. Now, when you are ordering things on Unit A that you want the thing to get to you, there are things that you need to do. So the first thing is, first of all, getting your Unit 8 app. And I have that on the channel how to get the app. It is not on Play Store, so you can just check my channel to find that out. Now, when you get the app, you would need to pay suppliers from that app to get your things. And when you are getting your things, you will need to also as well input your shipping address in that app so that they will send the thing to that place so you will get it to yourself. So I hope you understand that. So it's first getting your app. When you get your app, you get your suppliers to pay it. Now you get your suppliers to pay it, you get your shipping address so that you will get the things from that address you will send to them. So these are the three ways that you get your things. And in these three ways, there are details, information in them that you need to do. The least mistake that you do, the thing that you saw on the app, it won't be the same thing you get when they send it to you. So that there are a lot of information in important things from China. If you don't know, there are a lot of information, a lot of challenges that you need to know as well. So let me just summarize everything for you, and I'll make sure to make everything brief. Okay. So when you get your app, you would need to link your Alipay to the app. And I have that as well on the channel, how to link your Alipay to the app. There are a lot of more details about that. So now when you link your Alipay to it, that's how you will be able to pay your suppliers. Now this Alipay too, you need to verify your Alipay. And if you can't verify your Alipay to pay it yourself, we have agents that pay for you as well. I know a lot of people will come in the comment section. Please give me the agent. If I keep the agents on this screen, a lot of people that are not even ready to buy anything would be worrying them. That's why I can't just give it out here. Now, if you want to get access to these agents, then please do what? Click the link in the description box down below so that you get the contact. Okay? And now when you get these people to pay on the app for you, then you will need shipping addresses. And trust me, I'm not going to put the shipping address on the screen because those who are not even interested will go and be worrying the shipping companies. And trust me, you have no idea how it is when people worry you even when they are not ready. Because I've been there before. People will just come to your DM. Please, you taught us this and I'm not finding this. Why you just talk about it? They will still come and ask you that, Madam, you taught us that we should add this address. Now I've done it. The company is saying that this, the company is not replying me. There's a lot of more, right? So if you want to know everything, and I have a course that tells everything about importation. And if you want to get access to it, please click the link in the description box as well so that you get access to them. And when you get access to this course as well, you'll get 3 months free mentorship from me. So after the course, I'm not just going to leave you alone. You are going to get access to me 3 months and I'll mentor you in important things outside the country. You get shipping companies, you get suppliers contacts, you will get the pay agent that will pay for you as well. You will know how to ship your things to Ghana, and the shipping companies is Ghana. So if you are in Ghana, then you will actually be advantage of those that are not in Ghana. But if you're not in Ghana as well, you can also join and you will get access to your own account to find them. If you're having troubles anywhere, mentor you for 3 good months, and that's all. You get access to the own. I'll teach you how to verify it, and it is 3 weeks training. That course doesn't take just a day. There's a lot more, and people will be like, I have a lot of questions I want to ask you. So please, can I get your personal contact? Trust me, if you were me, you wouldn't put your contacts on the screen for people. You know the risk. You know the risk. Can you do that? Your contacts worldwide, your personal contacts, I mean, the contact you've used for your school account, the contact you've used for your Momo account, the contact you've used for your bank account, the contact you've used for your registration for a lot of things. If you put it out here, no, you will do that right. That's why you get access to this course and you get access to me as well. So the link is in the description box. Check it and I will mentor you for 3 months, and this training is for 3 months. You'll know everything about importation. It is a lot, and trust me, I can't say it on the screen. So if you're someone interested in mini importation, then please click the link in the description box to get access to me. And the bonus tips that I'll have for you is you get access to techie suppliers for free, about 10 techie suppliers for free, and I'll give you shipping companies of techie suppliers as well. These are bonus that's not part of being quotation in China that you get in this course. So we want to take this course and get access to it and learn everything about mini invitation. Now let's just get into our video. So if you want to get a shipping address, please go to indirect or the paying campaign. How to verify your IP account, I will do it on this channel for that one. I'll give it out for free for that one. Okay. So now when you are able to pay your suppliers, able to add your shipping company, then now you are really sure that you are going to get your place. And when your things arrive in Ghana, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Nigeria, when your things arrive in Ghana or Nigeria, you are going to pay for it to get to your destination as well. So if I'm in the central region and my shipping company is in greater Accra region, that means that I need to pay before it gets to me. Now, if you are watching me and you are in Ghana, because I'm currently in Ghana, that means that I have delivery guys in Ghana that will pick your things from Greater Accra region to your location for you. And you can also join by clicking the link in our description box, okay, to get access to these delivery guides as well. Now, this is how in summary you get your things, but there are a lot of more things on the app, like checking for verified suppliers. For verified suppliers, I've done it on the channel free, like adding your shipping address, like the paying agent, that's the most important one, and the shipping companies, that's the most, and we have a lot of shipping companies, okay? And you need to get those that won't scam you. If you want that as well, click the description box to get access to everything at a lower cost. So trust me, they are not for free. Every step that you take that you want to invest in your life, and if it is at cost, to know it easily without passing through the highs and lows, please do what to pay, because now that I'm teaching you today, it's only because I paid to learn. Good. So please do well to click the link in the description box to get access to this course for a course. Now, this is summary. Let me give you a summary of this video. So this video is about how you order the plane to get to you to your destination on 1688. I'll give it to you, and if you need shipping company so that they will bring this the thing you order to that address for you to get it. And that one to create the link in the description box to get access to these shipping companies, verified and tested ones as well. Okay, so these are in summary how your things will get to you. But remember that on the app, you need to know those that are not scammers, that you will get what you order. And you need to know about direct payments and indirect payments, as I talked about. And you need to know that when it gets to your country, you will need a delivery. Only if the shipping company is close to you, then that means that you are close to it, then you just get it. But if it is not close to you, then that means that you need to pay for it before it gets to you. So there's a lot. And even the app, getting the app, there are challenges. There are challenges in everything. So if you want someone to guide you through it for a lifetime, have a lifetime 3 months mentorship, then 3 weeks training. Click the link in the description box and let me know. If you also have any question that you think is not that personal and longer to take my time, then please do well to let me know in the comment section, and I would answer you. And please make sure to make it very respectful. Okay? Yes. No insults. And please do well to add your comments in the comment section. If you have any question that will take a longer time or that you don't need me personal for longer talk, let me know in the comment section. As well, there are more lots of things in mini quotation, and it's my priority to let you know things at step. And if you really needed a quick one, everything packaged is there for you. Then click on the link in the description box to get access to them as well. So I'll end this video here. Let me know anything you want to know. And while you are considering business as well, please do what to level up in your life. Take your time management serious, take your personal growth serious, take yourself as an individual, your health, your mental health also serious as well. Then everything is on this channel. So please do want to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please stay very, very focused and have a business mindset. Bye.